Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Appify. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to copy Quora username. So without getting further delay, let's jump into our video. First of all, open up Quora app. Make sure you have already downloaded Quora app on your device. Once you open up Quora app, it will show you this kind of interface. This is your home page. Now go to the profile that is located on top left corner. It will show you this kind of interface here. Tap on arrow as shown here. Next, click on edit profile. Now it will show you edit name, edit profile credential, edit bio. Tap on pencil icon that is located on right side of edit name. Just select this and copy. So in this way you can copy username on Quora app. So that is it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for